Hello, it's me, your friendly neighborhood pre-roll lad. LinkedIn is a business owner's oasis for sales growth, but a lot of other lead generation experts out there could just be feeding you sand. You know how to create a profile, send a connection request, and then spam your contacts with offers, but it's not getting you anywhere. Maybe you have a connection pool of over 10,000 sleeping giants that just won't wake up, and you're spending hours creating content that's just being completely ignored. Do you want to learn a better way? Join Maverick's free webinar, which covers everything you need to know about LinkedIn lead generation. If you're a business owner sick of the pushy tactics, but you still need consistent results, this one is for you. It doesn't matter how enthusiastic you are, without a real strategy, you'll never get anywhere. You'll be like a dog chasing a car, except you're stuck on the motorway. Don't waste time chasing leads when you could be generating them for yourself. With Maverick's free lead generation training, you will learn how to sell without any pushy tactics, key social selling skills, and how you can accelerate your results in the next 3 months. Using our training and strategies, one of our Trustpilot reviewers managed to close 6 new clients, and they'll be spending a minimum of £600,000 of them. That's Land Rover money. We're not all flashy ads here, we want to get results. We're trying to grow 1 million businesses, and if you want to be one of them, you need to sign up for a webinar right now. What have you got to lose? It's free.